In this video, I'll show you how to find old servers and grow a garden in Roblox. To do that, you'll need to install an extension first. Go to your browser and search for BTRoblox. Click on the first link that shows up and then select Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once it's installed, you'll see it appear in the puzzle piece icon section on your browser. Now, head back to the Roblox website and refresh your page. You'll notice that the interface has slightly changed, which is normal. Next, search for the game Grow a Garden and click on it. Scroll down the game page and you'll find the servers section. Once you see the servers, look for the option to sort by the number of players. Change the sorting from descending to ascending. The reason we do this is because servers with fewer players are more likely to be older. So, by sorting this way, you increase your chances of joining an old server. Now, just pick any server with a low player count and click Join. This will open the Roblox game client, and you can hop between different servers until you find one that looks like it's from an earlier time. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.